Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to change the settings in Photoshop to zoom in using only the mouse scroll wheel. Let's start. In default settings, zooming in Photoshop is with Alt key plus scroll wheel, or in Mac Option key plus scroll wheel. You can easily change this setting to using only the scroll wheel. Go to the Edit tab, Preferences, and select Tools. In the pop-up menu, click the Zoom with Scroll Wheel box. That's it. Now you can use your Photoshop more smoothly. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day ahead. And also, do not forget to like and subscribe.